This protocol is significant because the development, optimization, and transfer of multiplex immunofluorescence protocols is complex and challenging. For many labs, the toehold of an optimized protocol is invaluable. Multispectral immunofluorescence allows us to assess both the location and the identity of multiple cell types in and around the tumor. This is a powerful combination of information in immuno-oncology studies.
The most compelling use for multiplex immunofluorescence is immuno-oncology, but the ability to survey multiple immune cell types in situ can be leveraged across all autoimmune and inflammatory therapies.
Knowing the location and the phenotype of immunocells in and around solid tumor cells is both prognostic and predictive of responses to tumor-specific immunotherapies.
The optimization and validation of the protocol are key steps that should not be rushed. New developers should familiarize themselves with the new kinds of artifacts associated with multispectral imaging.
To locate the base multiplex protocol preloaded on the automated stainer, filter for All instead of Preferred on the protocol screen. Before making changes, save the original protocol and click the Protocols tab and right-click Opal 6 Multiplex to select Copy. Change the name to 7 Multiplex Protocol 1 in the new window and select the tab associated with the correct device. Match the protocol in Supplemental Table S1 and click Add Reagent to add a 10-minute peroxidase inhibition step, selecting the peroxidase inhibition.